Yeah, the Magic Fashion Show is back in town, showcasing the latest apparel, shoes, accessories. They're trying to put Las Vegas on the map.
Our owners have over 20 years of experience manufacturing cruelty-free outerwear. So this is our quilted puffer. It's filled with polyfill.
You know, PETA's been hearing from our 6.5 million members and supporters for so long that they want more ethically made, sustainable, animal-friendly fashion. That's why we were so excited to meet up with Coalition LA, their whole team. They're so great, and they provide cruelty-free outerwear that is durable, sustainable, and animal-friendly.
This is a panel that's co-hosted by Coalition LA, which is PETA's partners, are very ethically minded wholesaler. We're just very mindful of who we partner with. Just feels good to be not necessarily pushing products, but being a part of something that I would have been a consumer of, and to see these things come to fruition. Coalition LA is a perfect example of that.
WWDMAGIC is the largest fashion trade show in the nation.
Welcome to Coalition LA booth. These are our newest styles, and this sage color is the hottest one. Here we have our vegan suede. Of course, you know we're partnered with PETA, cruelty-free, everything. We have all of our faux shearling, super comfy, super cozy. You need this in your life, okay? Super soft. This is where you need to get your fur. This is our custom order production. Pick a color, pick a style, and it can be yours. And then this is all future fall winter 19. So metallic is gonna be super popular for this year. And then of course, these comfy colors, light blush, so on trend.